Hello, we're in Plano today in the Lakewood Springs community. It features 2 clubhouses, 2 pools, and many other amenities. Today we are outside of a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath duplex. Let's check it out. To see this home in person, give me a call. I'm Danielle Tully with eXp Realty and the Ruth Sheehan team. See you on the next video.